Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. May mercy, blessing, and forgiveness of Allah be upon you. Really, I am very glad to speak something in front of you all. It's my golden opportunity in my life. Dear friends or viewers, actually, it's a class, and this class is very important because English is an international language. So, if you would like to be good speaker or English speaker, obviously you have to acquire some rules and listen. Listening is the first way behind of learning English. If you would like to be a smart English speaker, first time you have to listen. Otherwise, you will not be able to be a good speaker. Now, today I would like to tell something depends on birthday party, special topics birthday party. What is birthday party? So first time I am telling something depends on birthday party. Birthday party is a party which is held on birthday celebration. This is the party is generally held in drawing room of the house in afternoon. Friends and relatives are invited on this party. They exchange greetings with each other. It become a meeting place. The total room as well as the house is adorned with various kinds of flower and festoons. Candles are lighted on the table. A beautiful cake is arranged on the table, and happy birthday and other wishing words are written on the wall. When everything is ready, candles are put up, and everyone in the party sings happy birthday to you. The guests shower blessing to the man whose birthday party is being celebrated. In a homely atmosphere, this party goes on. Everyone remains jolly in the birthday party. So, a birthday party is really enjoyable. Anyway, I would not like to discuss more things. Come to the point. As a English class, you have to acquire rules. If you would like to be good speaker or you would like to learn English, I would not like to more things. Come to the point. Look at the board. Today I have come here taking another rules. Please see. Today's rules is Ashai. In the hope. Ashai. Look at the board. I am showing you. In the hope. In the hope. আশায় যেমন সে টাকার আশায় অফিসে যায় রাইট নাও আই অ্যাম রাইটিং এ স্ট্রাকচার প্লিজ সি Please look, today's structure is very important and exceptional. Subject plus PB, principal verb, AT, all tense, any tense, plus object, plus in the hope of, plus N oblique P, noun অথবা pronoun. Clear? Now I am giving you one example. Please look. We come here in the hope of English. We come here in the hope of English. আমরা ইংরেজির আশায় এখানে আসি। যদি বলা হয় আমরা টাকার আশায় এখানে আসি, we come here in the hope of money. He goes to office in the hope of money, etc. If you would like to be good speaker or English speaker, you have to practice and you have to acquire some rules and vocabulary. Vocabulary is also very important behind of your learning English. If you have without having vocabulary strong power, if you ever come forward to speak English, obviously you have to face a lot of problem. Anyway, so it's a very important. আমি বাংলায় লিখে দিচ্ছি। আমরা ইংরেজির আশায় এখানে আসি। It's very important, so please you write it in exercise book. এটা আপনারা ভুলে যেতে পারেন, একটু খাতায় টোকায় রাখেন, ভুলে গেলে এটা প্রয়োজনে আবার আপনারা দেখবেন। Anyway, I would not like to enlarge my speech anymore. I am to stop here. And I have got one request to you, that is, those who are new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. It's very important. So, and like, comment, share, it also very important. I would not like to enlarge my speech anymore. I am to stop here. I congratulate to all of you once. Thank you very much. And English is not my mother tongue, so in time of speaking English or writing English I may be wrong, so see me with pardonable eyes. Thank you very much.